Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Tishan. Today we are going to download Python. There are many programming languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript and Python. I like Python because it is a beginner friendly and it is easy to read and also easy to use. That's why I recommend you Python. I basically recommend Python for beginners. If you want to learn a new programming language, if you are learning a programming language for your first time in your life, I recommend that you learn first Python and then you can learn C, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, like that languages. You can learn that. Okay, first we need to open our browser. Okay, next you need to type Python download and then click on the first link, download Python. Okay, the site is loading. Okay, if you are using Windows 10 or 8.1, I recommend you download the latest Python version. If you are using Windows 7 like me, you need to download the Python 2.7.10 version, and first you have to go to downloads and all release. Then you have to go down and find Python 2.7.10. Sorry guys, Python 2.7.10. okay, 2.7.13 12. Oh, there is it. It is. Now just download it. You need to click on, if you are using Windows, download. If you are using Windows 64-bit, you have to click the AMD 64 like this. If you are using 32, click on 86 MSI installer. If you are using Linux or Mac or something like that, there are links in this table. After you download, you need to open the file. My Python file is downloading. Okay, it downloads. Download. Now go to your downloads in your web browser and click on the installer. Okay, it's running. Just sit back and relax because this is gonna take a while. I have already installed the Python 2.7.10. because of that I won't install it again. Okay, if you install the Python version, first you have to give run. I will exit the installer. First I have to give you the details. First you will see a Python like a page like this. Go next, and then click install. I have already installed this because I had a Python setup in my computer. Now I will close the setup. Yes, finish. Okay, if you need to ensure that you have installed the Python correctly, cmd just type Python. Okay, if you see something like this, something text about like this, you have installed the Python correctly, else there will be an error that telling you there is no a program called Python. If you see a message like that, you will need to install the setup again. If the setup doesn't work, you have to go to the Python web browser, Python web page, and download it again and see it if it is working. The setup should work. Okay, now we have installed the Python. Because of that, you can see, if you type Python, you could see some programs like this: ideally Python manuals, and uninstall Python, like these programs. Now we have correctly installed the Python. After that, we need to install Pygame. Pygame is a library that is used for creating games. You can create 2D games. I think all of you guys watched the video that I had created the car game. I think all of you guys had watched it and download the game. Okay, now we have to type cmd. Open your cmd if you are using Windows. If you are using Linux, open your terminal. Okay, now if you are using Python, the latest version, I mean 3.12.1, if you are using Python if you are using Python 3.7 or above, you can just type pip install Pygame. But this won't work for the ones who download Python 2.7.10 version. You need to type Python -m pip install Pygame equal to 1.9.6, and then hit enter. This will take a while to install this Pygame. As you can see, I already installed the Pygame 1.9.6 version. Okay, now we will type Python. Now you guys have to type import Pygame and hit enter. If you see a text like this, that means you have installed the Pygame correctly. Okay, I think you guys have installed the Python and Pygame correctly, as I said you. If you guys have any problem installing, then feel free to comment. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring the bell icon for get notification. Stay updated. Thanks for watching, guys.